performance, efficiency. The ABS Gladiator PC is going to save the day for all you gamers out there. Let's get into the details. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Today we're getting into a gaming PC that'll help you reach new heights, the ABS Gladiator PC. This PC comes packed with top-of-the-line features. It uses the Windows 11 Pro operating system and comes equipped with the Intel Core i9 CPU, the Asus Prime Z690 motherboard, and a GeForce RTX 3080 GPU. I'm breaking down what you're going to get with the ABS Gladiator Gaming PC so you can continue breaking down your enemies in your game. It's time to unbox this. This is a big boy, so let's not waste a single second. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Ooh, guys, this is tough. Okay, that was not easy for me to unbox, but we made it. We did it, you guys. Okay, so now we have some peel moments. Yay! Excellent. Let's take this off. Wow, look at the inside of this PC. I love all of this white. I mean, this is really, really stunning. Everything looks amazing in here. Okay, so we have the information pamphlet about the case. It's the IQ5000X RGB mid-tower PC case. We also have your ABS Quick Start Guide. And this is a welcome letter to the ABS community. Now we also have this. So we've got all of the cables and connections that you're going to need to set this up. There's an alternate RGB pump head if you prefer the look of the black one over the white one that's already in there. Here we have some more cables. We've got your power cord and some more cables. The beauty of these ABS PCs is that they come to you fully set up, so you don't have to do any of the hooking up, you don't have to buy individual PC parts. They just come together looking super sleek like this, and you've got a gaming PC ready to go. All right, that's everything that comes in the box, so let's clear off the table. I'm gonna plug this in and we'll see it light up. All right, we have the Gladiator PC all hooked up and ready to go, so let's turn it on and see those RGB lights do their thing. Wow, would you look at that? You guys, this is incredible. I love it. I like how the RGB lights on the fans right here are this kind of icy blue. It really fits with the white theme, but you still get that pop of color from the RGB pump head over here. So I'm really into this. This looks incredible. The ABS Gladiator Gaming PC is fully decked out. So first we have the Windows 11 Pro operating system, which means you'll get auto HDR with your games, sped up loading processes for your games thanks to direct storage, and you'll get more seamless integration with the Xbox app and Game Pass. You also get Intel Intel Core i9, which gives you high-def gaming, high-resolution video and audio editing, and the ability to use multiple resource-intensive applications all at once. On top of all that, you get a monster of a GPU with the GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. This is going to give you massive performance gains. Just imagine you've got a bicep-curling Nico tucked away in your gaming PC. Look at how hard he's working those muscles. That's what the GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card will do for you. We've talked a lot about motherboards on this channel, so you guys know that the Z690 board is the way to go for competitive gameplay, and this one comes with the Asus Prime Z690 board already installed. With ultra-fast networking for smoother online gameplay, crystal clear audio and video, the Asus Prime Z690 board gives you the ultimate leg up. It also supports PCIe 5.0. When it comes to storage, the ABS Gladiator PC has you covered. You get 32 gigs of DDR5 memory plus a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. It's compatible with Bluetooth, so your wireless accessories will work with it no problem. It's also VR ready. The ABS Gladiator Gaming PC comes with the Corsair Hydro H115i Elite Capellic CPU cooler to keep your system chilled out. And all of these powerful features come encased in the Corsair iQ 5000X white PC case. It is sleek, it is modern, it is stylish, I love it. If you need a PC that's going to be the superhero of your gameplay, look no further than the ABS Gladiator build. Shop for it at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!